Magnolia, they realized that so easily na matapos silang matambakan ng 11 puntos, humigpit na ang kanilang depensa at na-overhaul nila ang 11-point lead. Now limiting Air 21 to several points, 1 puntos na lang ang kalamangan sa kanila ngayon.
So, samantala ito, mga kaibigan, Ranidel Del Campo fouled while shooting a 3. So Daniel Defonso na tawagan doon. And take 3 para naman dito kay Ranidel Del Campo.
The 3-point territory has been the favorite of Air 21. Why not? They shot 4 out of 7 in the first quarter of play. And Dio Campo, a big man who has a good touch from that area, would also attempt. So, 3 pritos ang iririgalo sa kanya. That's his first point in the second quarter. A total of 3 points for Ranidel Dio Campo, who also struggled in the first game. Kaya hindi napunan yung kawalan ng scoring noon itong si Steve Thomas.
Ito pong Air 21 starting the second quarter. Nawala po itong si Steve Thomas. All Filipino 5 para sa Air 21. Meanwhile, Magnolia Beverage Masters. Nandiyan po si Yamal McCaskill. So ito, 3-4-3 para naman kay Ranidel Del Campo.
Well, maalala natin si Steven Thomas po na dumating yan nung Lunes. At alam mo naman, Miyerkules pa lang ngayon. Yung pangalawang araw, usually dyan tumatama ang jet lag mo. But for athletes like Steven Thomas, mukhang kaya naman niya sigurong pag-adjust na yan. Laki ng pangatawan niya. Plus yung pinanggalingan naman niya, hindi bakasyon.
Batak
Basketball din ang pinanggalingan niya.
Tama ka doon, ano? Batak at of course, inspirado pa dahil nga nakapirma ng kontrata. Kaya naman po ito si Steve Thomas. Asahan natin, talagang kakahit po yan. Samantala, here's Yamal McCaskill. Look at Steve Thomas still cooling his heels dyan po sa bahagi ng Air 21. Meanwhile, McCaskill, sabi niya, ako, umiscore ako ng 31 points or 34 points in game 1.
Pwede niyang ulitin. 13 na siya. Simula pa lamang ng second quarter.
Marami kasi nagdududa eh. Ito si McCaskill ito, makakaulit ng lampas 30 na naman. Pero ito off to a good start. Ito po si Yamal McCaskill already with 14 markers.
But as an NBA veteran, hindi tayo nagugulat. Kayang umiscore yan ng mahigit 30.
And also, as an NBA veteran partner, alam na alam ni Yamal McCaskill paano rin i-pace ang kanyang laro. Here's Lardy Tucade.
Dito na, pumapasok na yung depensa ng Magnolia. Coming from a turnover after a good defense of Mark. Tinapos pa ni Lordy Tugade yung layup. At balik na naman sa magandang depensa. So Magnolia, really, ayun doon sa mga pointers natin, pinapakita nila dito.
Ito mga kaibigan, talaga naman ito si Daniel Defonso upping the ante sa depensa para din sa Magnolia. Kanina si Homer ang na-posterize niya. Ngayon si Ranidel Del Campo. And Ranidel firing. Here's the Magnolia Beverage Masters. Lalamang na kaya? Lloydie Bubbles. He pulls out. Magre-reset po itong Magnolia Beverage Masters. Hindi pa po nakakakuha ng lamang ang Magnolia Beverage Masters in this ballgame.
Not until now. Not until now. So Daniel Defonso tallying the 4 points. At gaya ng binabanggit natin, a better defensive team is Magnolia and they're showing it early on.
And right now, ito po at Filipino conference bigla ito eh. Pagkat wala mga imports, ano? Now magkabila. And here's Mike Cortez. Oh, what a layup coming from Mike Cortez. Vintage Mike Cortez.
His favorite shot, the left-handed penetration and the lay-in.
Alam na alam ni Cole Cat ng lahat ng angulo. At kita po yun dito sa huling layup. Dito si Mike Cortez. And look at this, Mike Cortez suddenly accelerating and flipping that layup. 4-point lead para po sa Magnolia. Nag-iba na ang kwento dito po sa ating second quarter. We'll be right back.
Definitely, we will find a way na ma-stop siya. Siya lang naman talagang naging reason doon. Siya ang naging starting point ng kanilang opensa. Mga second chance points na nanggagaling sa kanya. Kung magagawa namin ng paraan yan with the presence of Steve, magiging malaking bagay kasi magkaka-focus yung local namin sa locals ng Magnolia.
Ito mga kaibigan, Arwin Santos scoring a 3-pointer first basket yan para kay Arwin Santos.
The 21 Express fans also missed the services of Arwin Santos. Well, not the services actually, but his high-scoring talents at first game rather. Ngayon, nagpapakita na, and I think Air 21 should really give more touches to Arwin Santos. This guy can definitely score. At kapag depensahan ng Magnolia kanilang tatapatan, kailangan maghanap sila ng bukas sa mama, and Arwin Santos will always be there.
Aggressive move coming from Lordy Tugade. Nakaneto po ng foul mula dito kay KG Canaleta. Yes, at the free throw line. Pasok po yung una. Meanwhile, punta natin muli si Eric Reyes. Eric, anong balita dyan?
Well, Mon, marami nga nagsasabi na itong Magnolia, Beverage Masters, tsamba lang daw yung panalo nila last Sunday kasi nga wala import ng Air 21. But ito ang nagiging rallying point at magiging motivation, sabi nga sa akin ni Coach Bibo Rabanes at si Don Hontiveros. Hindi pa nga kasi nila tinatalo itong Air 21 with Steve Thomas in the lineup. Kaya nga sabi nila, right now, mas ganado talaga silang patunayan na hindi talaga tsamba yung panalo nila in that last Sunday, and they really want to beat itong Air 21 with Steve Thomas into. Mon?
Alright, salamat sa iyo, Eric. Pero habang nagre-report ka dito, nag-iinit na ito si Arwin Santos.
As we expected,
Air 21.
kailangan painitin talaga yan si Arwin Santos. He has now 5 straight points of the Air 21 Express.
Daniel Defonso. The pass to Mike Cortez. Oh, sumalpa si Thomas. Binura ang tira ni Dorian Peña.
And that's what Stephen Thomas brings to his team. Yung intensity sa loob. Alam mo, I once covered a game na may trangkaso itong si Stephen Thomas. Pero hindi niya iniinda. So, pag game ang pinaglalabanan, laking focus na focus itong si Stephen Thomas. Maybe it's only limited to only 2 points, but not with this intensity. Hindi nababawasan yan.
Kung yung binabanggit mo, parang kuyang yan. Turing sa kanya nitong Air 21 Express. Again, here's Lordy Tugade. Really active dito po sa ating second quarter. Here's Arwin Santos. Oh, and Lordy Tugade. Hinarang doon si Arwin Santos. Call for the foul. Ito po si Lordy.
Well, that's an easy foul to call for the referees.
Takbo na yung Air 21 nun eh.
Oo, happen in front of us. So, preemptive foul actually yun on Lordy Tugade. Pero bago tayo malayo mo, nais ko lang i-congratulate yung aking pamangkin si Jolly at Sharp Picache. Mga bagong parents ito, kapapanganak lang ni Sharp kanina kay Sofia Elise Picache. Congratulations sa inyo dalawa.
Naman. Oo, congratulations. And here's Arwin Santos. Oy! Malayo yung tira. Pati siya, napasigaw. Tirang yun. Hindi niya kanileta. Papalitan naman ni Gary David.
Hindi niya tira yun eh. Alangan. Well, the 3-point land is his territory. Pero nailang siya dun sa magdi-distract sa kanya ni Mike Cortez.
Mahaba pa po dito sa ating second quarter, mga kaibigan. Ito pong Magnolia Beverage Masters. Ginulat sila ng Air 21 in the first period. Steve Thomas diving for the ball, but si Dorian Peña.
Sinira pa yung advertisement ng ating mga sponsors. Pero hindi bale. That's the intensity of basketball. And I'm sure our sponsors will understand.
Correct. Oh, but you can only notice or help notice ito si Steve Thomas kung talagang decidido talaga dito sa laman po natin. At talagang nangako daw dito sa kanyang mga kampe that they will nail this game 2 to equalize the series. But so far, Magnolia na po ang lamang dito.
There will be a foul on Mike Cortez. Talagang nakita niya, hawak na ni Stephen Thomas.
Sumampay na lang.
Oh, alam niya, nanggigigil na ito si Stephen Thomas dahil wala pa itong field goal dito sa ating laban. Limited to only 2 points, both on free throws. And Thomas definitely wants some scoring momentum in this game.
Panay din ang shuffle dito ni Coach Bo Perasol. Uling pumasok ito po si Homer Sen, relieving Arwin Santos. Cleaning shot. Offensive foul dito kay Gary David.
At in-overemphasize niya yung paglinin niya. Na good defense on the part of Don Hontiveros. Not allowing Gary David na madagdagan pa yung kanyang puntos at least in that offensive thrust. So Gary David will be called for his first. At wag ka, manaka-naka, ang Magnolia ngayon ay nakakaumos na. They have a 1-point lead, 38-37.
Double team si Amal McCaskill. May repost. Amal McCaskill against Homer Seb. Bangga ng katawan. McCaskill!
With his favorite shot, yung kanyang skyhook na yun, napakahirap bantayan. Plus, bago siya mag-skyhook makikipagbanggaan muna siya to establish his position downstairs. So that's his 16th point.
Well, it seems para kay Mal Macaskill, talagang tataas niya ang level ng laro niya in the semis. Meanwhile,
Dorian Peña will be called for that foul. Well, that's his role, to defend and to check the big man of Air 21. In that instance, that's their import Steve Thomas. Pangalawa pa lang naman yun kay Dorian Peña. Ito, unti-unti na nilang na-establish yung kanilang defensive game. The offensive game of Air 21 ay naitala nila nung first quarter, pero nung second quarter, itong depensa ng Magnolia ang nananalasa.
oh, Steve Thomas. Finally, para kay Steve Thomas with 4 points para kay Steve Thomas.
Pero ang masakit doon, yung pangatlong personal foul ni Dorian Peña. Kapapasok pa lamang ito dahil si Coach Shot Tangkinsen putting premium on defense. Actually, El Deponso was doing a great job scoring. But nung pagpasok si Steven Thomas, binalik niya kagad itong si Dorian Peña. Peña had to pay for it. Kompleto pa yung 3-point play ni Steve Thomas for his 5th point.
Tila gustong ubusin ni Steve Thomas. Ito mga fouls. Dito po si Dorian Peña. Tabla po tayo. 40 all mga kaibigan. This is the second deadlock. Dito po sa ating laban. Homese, Dorian Peña. Jump ball. Sa pagitan po nitong si Homese. Dorian Peña. Probably, alam mo, dalawa sa pinakamasisipag. Mga mama sa kanilang koponan.
We talk about yung sipag si Homer even suffered from cramps during the last game dahil sa sobrang sipag niya ng laban na yun.
And right now, ay doon pinaglalapit sila. The top one by the Magnolia Beverage Masters, mga kaibigan, 107 minutes. Here in the second quarter, Cortez tinirahan si Homer C. Dorian Peña cleaning the glass for Magnolia, and the foul will be called against Winnie Arboleda.
Well, ayaw isuko ni Winnie Arboleda yung rebound, but it was collared and controlled very well by Dorian Peña. Would have to go out dahil sa kanyang tatlong personal fouls. Mark Pingris ang papalit sa kanya.
Good job by Winnie Arboleda, pero nabalik dito kay Mark Cortez. Winnie nagko-complain sa ating referee, kinamado siya sa mukha. Don Tiveros. First three-pointer para sa gabi ito, para kay Don Tiveros, already with 5 points.
Nung hindi nakabalik si Winnie Arboleda, nagbayad yung depensa ng Air 21 doon. Dahil mag-isa itong si Mike Cortez, that opened up. Itong si Don Tiveros, who's 3.
Arboleda. Again, here's Magnolia Beverage Master.
Gary David will be called the preemptive foul, trying to stop the fast-breaking Magnolia. Pangalawa na ito para dito kay Gary David, but we're really seeing how the Magnolia Beverage Masters are defending very well dito sa ating second quarter of play. They're going back to basics. They knew they're a better defensive team than Air 21.
Turnaround shot coming from Amal Macaskill and Mintis. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Magnolia, mga kaibigan. Lamang po sila ng 3 puntos. Ano na po, lumang ng 11 ang Air 21. May nangaldag daw.
And that's Homer C.
Basket.
Kitang-kita na ating mga referees. But one good aspect of the Magnolia defense here, Mon, is that they're not giving Steven Thomas the position or his comfort zone inside.
Dumagundong na dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
Well, we're talking about the wingmen of Magnolia. Madadagdagan pa yan. Tugat is doing a very nice job. But, you know, with Danny Siegel, why not?
Opo, you see Danny Siegel has missed the last 4 games. And Amal Macaskill, he overshoots the mark. Hindi na reset ang shot clock doon. Mark Pingris fires. Yes!
In fact, nagulat sila dahil when Mark Pingris usually gets that offensive rebound, pinapasa niya sa labas. Pero biglang humarap, itinira, all net.
Oh, nakita naman ni Mark Pingris. Teka muna. Maluwag na maluwag. Meanwhile, here's Gary David in heavy traffic. 11 points para kay Gary David, mga kaibigan. So po, nag-iinit talaga. The first quarter, high score is 9 points in the first quarter, cut by 2 3-pointers.
Going to this ball game, Gary David is averaging almost 14 points. Pero dito ay nakakapagtala na siya ng kalabing isa.
And Mike Cortez!
With his 6th point. So, scoring galore ang ating nakikita dito. Pero Magnolia is on top because not only are they shooting very well, they're also defending very well.
And Mike Cortez is also quarterbacking excellently para dito sa Magnolia Beverage Masters. Here's Gary David for that. 13 points para dito kay Gary, Mr. Pure Energy David.
Well, gusto rin bumawin itong si Mike Cortez. Although nanalo yung kanyang oponent during the first game, hindi kasi nung magandang kanyang nilaro. It's almost an Olsen Rosella show for Magnolia at the point that time.
Tugade missing a 3-pointer. Ito na po ang Air 21. Homerse pipihit doon, and Homerse will finish for the Express. He now has 6 points.
Specialty rin ni Homer siya. Biglang pumipreno. Nagulat din doon ang mga defenders ng Magnolia.
Mga kaibigan, we have a timeout dito po sa ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang Magnolia Beverage Masters dito, but Homerse, nifty move coming from Homerse. Ayan po ating score. Magbabalik po kami. Teka na, magandang diskarte ng Magnolia Beverage Masters here in the second quarter. They started clamping down on defense. At wala po doon, lumamang na nga po itong Magnolia Beverage Masters. For this guy, Mike Cortez has been spearheading the attack of the Magnolia Beverage Masters. 3-pointer coming from the Cool Cat.
Hardly a local was scoring kanina sa kupunan ng Magnolia.
That's
pero
right.
ito, sabay na pumoto. Lordy Tugade and Mike Cortez. Although si Tugade is rested now with the entry of Danny Siegel.
But Gary David, ang mga tira ni Gary David, partner, na nagagawa niyo makalapit ng 4 feet away, 5 feet away in front of the basket. Kailangan, paano isipin ng Magnolia, paano pipigilan itong saksak nito si Gary David. Homerse! Nauna doon, isang napakagandang pasa mula kay Winnie Arboleda. Kaya naman ito, panay high five sa mga Air 21 dito. Pinagbuti nila ng maigi itong huli sequence. And look at this.
But you have to appreciate that pass. Kita mo yung layo ng pinagpasa niya ni Winnie Arboleda. And with Homer finishing it, kita mo yung nasa harap niya. A smaller player in Mike Cortez. He may lift high at kaya niya i-challenge but not much. Itong si Homer si one-on-one. So it's a 3-point play. The open Namitas, but he gets the rebound.
And Homer's trying to call for timeout.
But he has no control of the ball. No timeout will be given him.
It will go back to 8:21.
Well, kung hindi pa natin napapansin, Danny Siegel is inside the court. Going to this ball game is the highest scoring on the average for the locals of Magnolia at 14 points per ball game. Pero he didn't play in the first game of the series. He didn't play in the quarterfinals matchup against Coke.
Again, puntahan natin si Eric Reyes. Eric?
Well, Mon, itong si Danny Siegel pala, nung Coke series pa lang, talagang susubukan na siya maglaro. Kaso ang problema, sa practice, pabalik-balik yung kanyang quadricep injury na yun ang nagbibigay problema sa kanyang mga legs. No? So wala siya masyadong power when it comes to playing. Pero right now, sinusubukan daw siya ng coaching staff and they want to see if he can give some help dito sa Magnolia.
Ito, binibreakin. Itong si Danny Siegel. Breaking ba to?
Oo, kanina hindi siya nakahabol sa depensa. So, opensa na lang. More known as an offensive player ito si Danny Siegel.
Alam mo, kinakwento pala ni Eric. Kailangan i-break-in itong si Danny Siegel. But look at this move coming from Danny Siegel. Sumakay ka pa.
Sakay na sakay. Sakay na sakay si Homer pero binuhat ng Dynamite Danny Siegel. Sasabog ba tonight? Yan ang binabanggit natin sa kanya. Also a contributor pagdating sa 3-point land kung saan hindi pa maganda ang percentage ng Magnolia tonight.
A 3-point lead para po dito sa Magnolia Beverage Masters. And Gary David. Alam ba, antidote ng Magnolia dito already with 18 points ito si Gary David with a good 2:25 remaining sa ating pong second quarter.
And to think that the best defender among the small men of Magnolia is on him. We're talking about Don Ontiveros. But you know, good picks are being given to Gary David. So maganda rin ang execution at hanap ng mga taga-Air 21 sa kanilang half-court offense.
Homer Sen natawagan po ng foul dito. Nasa penalty ang Air 21. At so si Amal McCaskill po ang muling nasa free throw line. Amal McCaskill, he scored 11 points, or 12 points rather, in the first quarter alone. Walang binabagit mo, no? Walang halos umiksena nung first quarter para sa Magnolia, sa mga locals sa Magnolia Beverage Masters. But here in the second quarter, dito naman pumutok itong mga locals. Pinangungunahan ni Mike Cortez, who now has 9 points.
At ngayon, pagsasabay na yung Sigel at saka itong Lordy Togado. Now, it would be Lordy Togado's responsibility to watch Gary David, who's been sizzling hot dito sa ating second quarter. Total of 18 points for Gary David.
Ball will remain with the Air 21 Express, mga kaibigan. At sila nga po nagkahabol dito sa ating second quarter. After leading by as much as 11 points in the first quarter, but dito si Gary David, hindi lang mapigilan dito, panay ang atake. Traveling dito kay Gary David.
Which is actually a good call. No? Nakikita-kita ng ating mga referees yan. At extra steps for him after finishing the dribble. Sayang, sana naglusot, pero traveling talaga eh.
So ito po mga kaibigan, under 2 minutes. Here in the second quarter. Mamaya po sa halftime natin, ako po kayong bibitaw ha. Mga astig plays, iisa-isahin natin yan. At jihad. And Danny Sigel having some space and he shoots over Arwin Santos.
Paborito niya yan eh, yung separation matapos manggit-kitan, tapos yung kanyang pa-bicycle na jump shot.
Tama yun. Ang hirap pagilan. Ang Bolera, di lang nagmadali dun sa kanyang 3-pointer. Ito, walang dribble para sa Magnolia Beverage Masters. Arvid, nothing there. Ranidel, na sandwich.
A good defensive job on Magnolia again. Ranidel de Ocampo would want to force that shot. Kahit dalawa yung nasa harap niya, pero hindi siya papayagan ng Magnolia.
Meanwhile, ito po ang Air 21. Beginning 30-second timeout po dito. Ano po ang Air 21 appearing in their well, they've gained their outright semis dito po sa ating Smart PBA Fiesta Conference for the very first time since 2002. Pinagkaguluhan nila, pinagdalawan nila. Ito si Gary David.
A timely timeout before a 3-second ball hogging violation might have been called against him. So they would settle for the timeout.
But talk about the defense of Magnolia. Kita mo na parang yung tinambangan. Ito po si Gary David.
But we still see some high-scoring quarters here, Ramon, dahil yung kanilang higpit ng depensa nagsimula lang nung latter part of the first quarter.
Alright, doon po sa mga nagtatanong ng ating resulta ng first game, 111-104, Barangay Ginebra, 2-0 na sa kanilang best of 7 semifinal series sa pagitan po ng Red Bull Barako at JJ Helterbrand. Nakita mo naman yan ha. At ibang klase nilaro din ni JJ Helterbrand. Yung 3-point shooting po ni JJ Helterbrand, yung po talagang nagtulak doon sa panalo yun ng Barangay Ginebra Jenkins.
And good matchup actually itong ating nakikita. Kahit itong Air 21 Magnolia, ang dami pa rin na natili dito sa Araneta even after the Ginebra Red Bull game.
Ranidel de Ocampo, 3-pointer. 8 points para kay Ranidel de Ocampo, pero tama ka doon, partner, na sinasabi ng Air 21 with Steve Thomas there. Kita mo, no? Kumpiyansa silang bumitaw from the outside. Only 40 seconds remaining. McCaskill. Oh, meanwhile, ito.
There was a nudge, and a foul should be called because Stephen Thomas lost his balance. But earlier we saw another 3-pointer from Ranidel de Ocampo. The entire Air 21 team shooting 7 out of 12. That's a 58% clip from the 3-point line. So ibang klase ang talim nitong mga taga-Air 21 sa kanilang outside shots.
But Steve Thomas, nasa penalty na po itong Magnolia Beverage Masters. Kaya na po nabigyan ng 2 free throws itong si Steve Thomas. Only 6 points tonight para dito kay Steve Thomas. But then again, lagi nga po natin binabanggit itong si Steve Thomas. Iba ho yung kontribusyon nito sa Air 21 eh. Leadership, mere presence alone sa Coach Poterazol. Ang laking bagay na para dito kay Steve Thomas. Right now, but then again, nababagit mo yung mga numero yan, Rado, ay naobserbahan natin itong Magnolia Beverage, sinasabi po nila. Pag ang mga kalaban po nila, may score lamang ng hindi lumalampas ang
90 puntos sa
score,
kanilang average.
malamang sa alaman, nananalo itong Magnolia.
Pero ito, 58 na ito eh. Magsisisenta na ito.
Lordy Tugado nagpamahabol. Magsiset up dito si Mike Cortez. Excellent quarterbacking so far para dito kay Mike Cortez. It's being chased by Gary David. Nowhere to go. Danny Siegel pops. Yes!
And that's the value of Danny Siegel. Pag wala na kayong mapuntahan, go to the Dynamite.
Alvini Arboleda firing. Good line. And Magnolia will grab the lead at the end of 2 quarters of play, mga kaibigan.
Well, Mon, kung paghiganti ang pag-uusapan ngayong gabi, dalawang players na to ay may kailangan patunayan ngayong gabi. Gary, first game, 9 points only, pero ngayon 18 points already. Ibang-iba nilalaro mo ngayon, mukhang meron kang gustong patunayan talaga.
Kasi mahirap dahil nung first game namin wala kaming import. Kaya natuon yung depensa sa akin, kinarandal sa mga locals. Kaya medyo off kami yan. Pero ngayon, nandiyan na si Steve. Kumbaga yung depensa nakatuon sa kanya, kaya kailangan namin siyang tulungan talaga.
Maraming salamat, Gary. See you in the second half. Don, sabi mo sa akin kanina, you really want to prove something because itong Air 21, hindi niya pa tinatalo with Steve Thomas. Ito ba si Gary David, isa sa mga kailangan mong i-stop para manalo kayo ngayong gabi?
Well, napakita na niya. He started aggressive and hopefully second half, malimit ko production na pero I'll just do a better job.
Thanks a lot, Don. See you in the second half. Mon?
Alright, salamat sa iyo, Eric. Talaga naman lumuwag ang buhay para sa mga scores ng Air 21. Pero sandali lang yun, pagkat bumalik muli ang mga posas ng Magnolia Beverage Masters. At ito nga po, they grab the lead anew. At the end of 2 quarters of play, mga kaibigan, it's Magnolia 59, Air 21 58. Wag po kayong bibitaw, ha? Yung astig place po natin. At